Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make good lobster tails. First, ensure your frozen lobster tails are fully thawed, ideally overnight in the refrigerator. Next, grab some kitchen shears and carefully cut down the center of the top shell, stopping just before the tail fin. Then, gently pull the raw lobster meat up through the cut shell, leaving it connected at the very base. This creates a beautiful presentation. Now it's time to add some flavor. Brush the exposed lobster meat generously with melted butter. You can also add your favorite seasonings like garlic powder, a dash of paprika, and a little salt and pepper. For cooking, you have a few excellent options: baking, broiling, or grilling. Each method yields delicious results, so pick what works best for your kitchen setup. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And on another note, imagine cooking with your favorite tunes playing or setting a timer hands-free with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you're baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the prepared tails on a baking sheet. For broiling, cook them for 1 to 2 minutes per ounce of meat, keeping a close eye to prevent burning. If baking, they typically need 10 to 12 minutes, or until the meat turns opaque and firm. Don't overcook them. For grilling, place the lobster tails meat side down on a preheated grill for 3 to 5 minutes. Then, flip them over and cook shell side down for another 5 to 8 minutes. The key to perfectly cooked lobster is not overdoing it. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit for tender, juicy results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.